we are finally test driving the most read, most clicked on vehicle on dsf.my for the past year. This car has got tremendous response, and even until today, weeks after its launch, weeks after it's selling well and in the market, people are still interested to know more about this vehicle. And this is the Toyota CHR, a brand new, all new product from Toyota that has really rocked the segment. The most sculptured rear end of any vehicle we know the past year. Look at that. There's just so much design elements in that rear. And then the fenders, the hidden rear door handle, the flat front fenders, the V-like bonnet, the tail lights, the headlamps, they all speak to you. And then the lower front grille, very Lexus, which is a child of Toyota. All this in a nice, neat, compact crossover that costs 146,000. So what are you paying for in this fully imported Japanese product beyond that funky looks? Open the door and have a look at this funky design on the door panel. It just adds to that special effect that the CHR provides. The kick panel, the CHR rear cabin, much talked about, much commented. Everyone is saying it's too tight in the rear for 3 adults. Headroom is lacking because it's coupe-like profile. But let me tell you, if you bought a coupe, you won't be making noise. You buy a CHR and then you make noise. Well, you want that sexy shape, you have to sacrifice on headroom. Unless you're a basketball player, you can actually fit in the rear. I can fit in the rear. I'm 5'6". So what's the big drama about luggage room? Again, people comment about the lack of luggage room. But then you're buying a small compact crossover. You want luggage room, go and get yourself an Innova. Go and get yourself an Alphard. You get a space saver, spare tire, toolkit, all neatly put together underneath the boot floor. It's decent space. It may not be the most accommodating luggage space, but there are a lot of coupes out there, sporty coupes, that have half this space. You've got yourself a CHR, which is a crossover coupe. Open the door, get into the driver's seat, and you get a premium interior. Yes, you do get a premium interior. This is not your average Toyota interior. Why do I say that with a little bit of emphasis? Because this is a simple crossover from Toyota. It's not a premium product, but they've given you a lot of premium feel in this vehicle. The top of the dashboard, nice soft leather finish, good quality plastic, nice non-metallic trim, so it's not in your face. The piano black finish, the nice soft touch buttons, the entertainment unit, the multifunction steering wheel has got nice featured buttons here, and you get a simple, basic, straightforward layout with all the information you need. I got to emphasize this gear lever. I like this gear lever. This is a very, very nice gear lever. I'm not just talking about the look. I'm talking beyond just the feel of this gear lever. You get a touchscreen navigation unit, which is common with all the new Toyotas. Easy to use, simple, nothing complicated. Like I said earlier, nice control panel, nice buttons, nice finish, angled towards the driver. Very nice seat material. You get a clear reverse camera that shows you exactly where you're going and how far you're going, and if you're too close to another vehicle. You also get front sensors to show if you're getting too close to another vehicle. And we're in the Toyota CHR. Happy to be behind the wheel of this funky looking crossover. From startup you can see it's quiet, very well defined, good quality interior, nice simple instrument display, nice chunky steering wheel. 1.8 engine is lively when you want to call it. Gearbox is smooth. It's a nice, comfortable Toyota, but the best part is it almost feels like a Lexus, which is part of the Toyota family. It almost feels like Toyota has moved up the game and brought their average Joe products up to Lexus level. You know, like with the dashboard finisher, with the soft touch leather, the nice textured plastics, the comfortable seating, the refined dynamics, good NVH, nice suspension setup. It's a lively car. You can swing it around. It almost feels like a hot hatch, despite its slightly higher riding position. Stops well. It's a nice car. It's a nice crossover. What can I say? $146,000. It's whether you like the shape, you're drawn to the looks and the interior, or you just prefer something bigger.